and went, it's really not my bag. Just thought it might be funny to see Andrew and Greg